All right. So I can enter the train. So let's go. A train restaurant, man. Man, I'm in a train. It's a restaurant, but it's a train. You can see. Wow, this is awesome. Let me have a seat. So actually, I'm in the train restaurant here in Skukuza, Kruger National Park. You can see. Yeah. So anytime you visit, this is awesome, beautiful. Yeah. And, and Kruger National Park is in the Mpumalanga province of South Africa. So inside Kruger National Park, we found this amazing train restaurant at a site called Skukuza. Oh my God, what a beautiful piece of artwork. What a creativity. Guys, having your breakfast, lunch or dinner inside this amazing train restaurant won't be bad at all.